Hello everyone and welcome back. So in our last lecture, we learned what is Lagrange interpolation formula or method. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn what is inverse interpolation Lagrange formula. So before coming to this particular lecture, so I'll request you kindly watch the previous lecture on Lagrange formula, Lagrange interpolation formula. Otherwise, this particular lecture will be a little bit difficult for all of you. Okay. Now, this particular method is very simple. Just it is the reverse of Lagrange method. Now, if you still remember, in Lagrange method, we have a formula like this. Y is equals to what? F of x. Okay. So then on the right hand side, we have x minus x1, then x minus x2, dot, x minus xn divided by, now what term is missing here? Here x naught is missing. So we have to write now like this: x naught minus x1, then x naught minus x2, and then x naught minus xn. With this, we have to write f of x naught. So in the same way, we have to write the other factors. So this is what we have Lagrange formula. But you see, this is the exactly reverse of Lagrange interpolation formula, because here we are finding y in terms of x, but here you see we are going to find x, but it is what in terms of y. Okay, x in terms of y. What is the first term here? X minus x1. Now it is y minus y1. All the x will be replaced by y. So exactly same formula. Okay, so in place of x minus x1, now you have y minus y1. Then in place of x minus x2, now you see y minus y2. And then in the same way, it's y minus yn. So whatever the last term, here what we have multiplied? F of x naught. Now in place of f of x naught, now we have to write f of y naught. Okay, f of y naught. So in the same way, other terms you have to write. So this is just the reverse of inverse Lagrange interpolation formula. Okay, now let's see some problem. So let us do this particular problem. So what to find? Find the value of x. So if we do Lagrange interpolation formula, then we are asked to find the value of y. But here we have to find the value of x. For what value? For the value 100. One table is given. So this is our x naught. Sorry, this is x1. Then x2, x3, and then what? x4. Or you can write like this also. This is f of, this particular value is f of y naught, then f of y1, f of y2, f of y3, and then f of y4. And these are nothing but y naught, y1, y2, y3, and then what? y4. Okay. So again, the same thing first you write down, or for the table also you can directly write. Now the Lagrange formula for inverse interpolation is, so what to do? We have to write the formula. So we are going to find the value of x. So x equals to f of y. So what will be the first term? Y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y3, and then y minus y4 divided by, so it will be y naught minus y1, then y naught minus y2, y naught minus y3, and then y naught minus y4. With this, what to multiply? We have to multiply f of y naught. Okay, so this one, f of y naught, plus next what term will come? Now y minus y naught, which one will be missing now? y1. Y minus y1 will be missing. So next time we have to write y minus y2, y minus y3, and then y minus y4. Similarly, in the denominator, now it will start from y1 minus y naught, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3, y1 minus y4, and then we have to multiply f of y1. Okay, so let us write the other term, plus y minus y naught, y minus y1. Now y2 will be missing. Okay, so our next term is y minus y3, y minus y4, then y2 minus y0, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y4, and here we have to write f of y2. So 2 more term will come, plus y minus y0, y minus y1, y minus y2. Now y minus y3 is going to miss, so we have to write y minus y4 divided by y3 minus y0, y3 minus y1, y3 minus y2, y3 minus y4. With this, what we have to multiply? F of y3. And finally, the last term, which is y minus y0, y minus y1, y minus, this is not, okay, let us write it. Sorry. Okay, so y minus y2, y minus y4, no, y minus y3. So here y4 will be missing, divided by y4 minus y1, y4 minus y2, y4 minus y, which is missing, y0, y4 minus y0, y4 minus y1, y4 minus y2, and then y4 minus y3. With this, what to multiply? F of y4. Okay. Now, first you write down, since there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms, so you have to write 5 expression. Now, all the values is given in the question. So, in place of y, what to put? In place of y, we are going to put 100 because it is given now. Y equals to how much? 100. So, wherever you see y, you put 100. And then y1 is how much? y1 is 24. y2 is how much? 58. Each and every value is given in the question. Okay. So, you put down very carefully and calculate it. So, after calculation, this answer you will get. Okay. 8.6556. This one will get. So, it's a very simple problem. Everything will be given in the table. Just you have to write the formula accurately, and then you have to put, and after calculation you will get the answer. Okay. So, in the same way, I will suggest you kindly do this particular problem. So, here you see in the formula it's written up to yn, but I will suggest that since it's y0, y1, y2 and y3, so you write 4 terms, not yn. Okay. First is y minus y1, y minus y2, and then y minus y3. Don't give dot dot dot. Like the previous problem, you write down the formula. Otherwise, you have to write one more line. Okay. So, I am talking about this thing. So, you will write like this: y minus y0. Sorry, y0 will not come first. Y minus y1, y minus y2, then y minus y3. And here it will be like this: y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2, y0 minus y3, and then f of y0. Like this, you write 3 other terms, put down the value, and then finally you will get the answer. Okay. So, I hope you understand what is the inverse Lagrange formula. So, if you understand it and if you like the video, kindly share with your friends. Thank you for watching.